and everything begins from here. Show you my old house. Usually I was playing at that area. I'm at the busiest street of Odisha right now. So he's my school friend. I don't know he will come. I will make videos. So guys, I'm at school. So welcome to all of you my blog video guys. So the thing in the blog I will say today, it's all about the things I started, the city and the place I started everything. So where I spent like 18 years of my life. So I'm gonna share each and every single thing, my schooling, the street I played, the street I lived and walked, and my home. So we're gonna share each and everything. So be patient, watch till the end and enjoy. Welcome back guys, it's your boy Asutosh again here. So I'm just out for the travel or for the bus tour. It will take me like 5 hours to be there where I want to be. So it's right now 6:15 a.m. I woke up at around like 5 just to get ready myself and do some packaging and stuff. Then I'm just out with my mom. My mom is ahead there and I'm making video there. So yeah, see you in the some travel. Welcome back guys, and I will show you my old house. So that's the house at the right side of me, and that's where I lived for like 18 years with the mango trees and the jackfruit one, which is seasonal fruit. It's only like it's the season for only for the summer when I can eat that stuff and my family. So it's the road as you can see where I live for 18 years in these streets, in this area, or in that small home. We also get moved from there to our main city and our village. So that's the street I was living in. As you can see, it's a good area to live, and I have got a lot of friends in that time period, got a lot of frenemies and stuff. So yeah, it's a good experience to got them, to have the thing I got. I was grateful for everything, and the nature here is so good. The area I living in, it's a very good area to track. As you can see in the background, there's a bungalow. It's not Bangalore, it's Bangla, which there in the Odia. So it's a very good place to live. So I lived there for like 10 years, as I repeat, and I'm not using any script. So I'm just saying as it is, whatever I coming in my mind and whatever. So the area, as you can see there, this road is clear, but the thing here, it's not there like 2 years ago. And at the middle of that area, as you can see, I can show you how I can show you. I am above that area. So usually I was playing at that area with my boys, street boys. Like here I betting always with, and some baller ball me. I also doing the bowling part in the cricket. So the sixer is like this tree. If my ball will touch to the there, then it will be 6. Same for this streets. There's a lot of tree out there, but after 2013 cyclone, all got fall down. So I was playing there. It's now dirt, and the thing here made is the borders. It's by some government, like this guy who made the contract with government to make some kind of park, but he eat all the money and just make it as a jungle. Sucks. And we can't play for last 1 year when I leave this area for the 1 year. So I am here for some work. As you can see the nature and the birds. Let me show you. It's a good, you know what, where I go, I gifted with nature. I don't know why. It's a God's plan, you know, brother. So yeah, so it's a good for trekking, or if you go for walk, for the morning walk. It's a very good place to live. So I think you should show, and everything begins from here. How? I saw into it, I saw some Luke Balmer guys. Then I started grinding from there. I was getting a lot of head there. I was getting a lot of support too there. Also got a lot of question from a lot of guys, from my friends especially. So they will see in this video, will upload it around like after 1 week in my Asuvar special. So yeah, that's the area I was living in, full of nature. And I can show you my back. Not talking about this bag, but this bag. I'm at the busiest street of Odisha right now. Oh, there's some water. Okay, nothing to worry about. And the thing is, here I evolve. Here I do my every education and stuff, and I evolve, make a lot of friends, make a lot of enemies, learn a lot of stuff during that time. It's the food capital of our state, and at the south place, and it's the business area, and where you can learn business, how business things work. If you want to learn business in Odisha, come there. So he's my school friend. I don't know he will come. I will make videos. So yeah, that was a street. I can say it evolved so much in these 18 years, as you can see. So yeah, that's the place where I was living for. Learn a lot of stuff, guys. That's what I can say. I can go and walk down for a little moment so you can see further. And I was using the tripod, no script, nothing. And I got the business genetics from here. I didn't born there, my parents didn't born there, but the environment, it evolved me to be do something in North, because that's the environment. If you want to learn business, come there. Odisha is the best thing, bro. Walking down to the streets, talking via phone, it's kind of cringe, but it will worth it. I think it's for the street view where I was living in, and I will move next to the school thing. So yeah, see you in the school one. So guys, I'm at school where I spent like 12 years of my life. Now I will say only the positive, because you guys know the negatives. So the positive is I got discipline, because 10 to 6 every time, wake up, do the work, and go to school. That's the thing for whole 12 years, from my UKG, LKG to 1 to 10. That was my school. That's the part to go to school. So I will show you the board again. So I just came down from there, learn a lot of stuff, and I can't be stay for like a while there, because someone will saw like teacher, it will be kind of cringe. So I will be not there for a moment. So when I just started recording the videos, then I said, okay, let's get out from there. Only the positives. That's the positive. Discipline, and I got the things. And I will say, in the Indian institution, you have a lot of rituals, the prayer and the relating to the God. So that's the one of the second benefit, I will say. Yeah, that's what I got, and you all know the negatives. That's what I can say for right now. And I will mention one more thing, because we got that environment, and whatever I'm goes through, so I'm showing each and everything, where I came from, where I did my schooling and stuff. So when I will be in some place, then people will watch, okay, that guy can do from that place, why I can't do that? You guys can do too. You can. So I will cut out the part where coming down to the road. So yeah, that's the point, guys. If you're in school, go to school. At least have it to until you make money consistent for a long period of time, like for a month. Then you are sure, okay, I will make money from the next 3 months. You're sure that I will make money. Then drop out from school or anywhere you are. Once you get the money, get the hell out from there, focus more on the business. That's what I will do for my college right now, where I am right now. When I will make consistent money, I will get out from there. I think that's it for the school. Yeah, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you liked it. And I will end up with one quotation, because I get a lot of experience from that city. I learned a lot of things, and I'm just be grateful and be there. And the situation happened, I am here right now in my village. I don't have any friends here. I'm not talking with anyone, because I don't want to distract myself for any people. So I'm just isolated here, to just being alone, and can do the work I need to do, focus on my personal brand, focus on my freelancing and business. So that's all about. So the things and the God want me to be there, so I'm just doing it. So I learned a lot of things from there, and I hope you enjoyed that my life journey and the blogs. And see you in the next video. Tada, bye bye, see ya. Thanks for watching.